This video, what I have here is a tire inflation kind of like kit right here from the company Flykid. Now I've got a little small one from this same company and it was worked out extremely well. This is their larger size one, and let me just kind of like go over everything on this one. So it's got a cordless design, fast inflation, tire pressure monitoring. Basically you plug it in, it gives you your tire, LED light, it's got an auto shut off on it. You know what? And it looks like this one goes from 3 to 150 PSI. That's a pretty big PSI jump right there, 3 to 150. And just open it up. I've already opened it up and kind of looked over it. You get a little instruction manual. This little kit right here is some pull rings. They give you an extra fuse just in case you blow your fuse in this one, and a basketball needle. And pulling it on out, that's all we got in the box. This one's a little different. It's got a USB-C, but it's to this barrel plug. And then the actual barrel plug on this one is gonna plug in right here. So that's how you're gonna charge this. No USB-C on that. There is no USB outputs on this whole thing right here, but let me show you what I do like about this thing. It's got storage back here for all of these items right here. So we can take these, put them back there. But one thing that they've done that a lot of them don't do, they actually included the cable. I don't have to sit here and fool around with screwing it in. You just pull the cable out just like that, and look how long that cable is. That's one of the longest cables of any of these that I've got. And then taking that off, we don't need that. Unplug that. Let me just show you the unit itself. You're going to hold this button down. As soon as it comes on, you can see it right there. Now it's not flashing in the camera, but that's just what the camera does. PSI, it's got car, and to change it, there's an M button right here. 29 on motorcycle, bicycles 45, basketballs 8. You got a custom. You can go up and down on the custom. Let's go to car, which is at 31, surprisingly, but let's take it up to 37 on the car. And then right here, you can kind of go through the bar, KPA, KG, CM2, right there, back to PSI. And then you got the LED light. Hit that little light button right there. You can see the LED. Hit it again, you get the flashing. Hit it a third time, you get the speed mode. And then right there. So that would be great if you're going to put it down like that and you're inflating the tire, just put it down, put the flashing on, and it should be good to go. It has these nice little rubber feet. So I like that, these little rubber feet. I've got the other ones, they vibrate around. That's gonna definitely help with that. Let me take it over here to my van. I took some air out of the tire, and let's go ahead and inflate that up, and let's see how well this thing works. So let's do that now. We're at 26 PSI right there. Let's put this down, get it started. We'll see how fast this thing can go from 26 PSI. So if we've got a low tire right now, wow, it's already at 27. So it went up 1 PSI in just that little bit of time. 27.5. This actually has a more powerful motor than those little smaller ones. It looks like a real kind of air compressor right there. I love this long cord. That would match, that would go all the way up to there, from there to there. We're already at 29. Let me go ahead and stop this, come back, and let's see if it does the auto shut off when it hits the 37. So let's do that now. One thing I did notice, this thing's a lot quieter than my other ones. We're at 36 PSI. It took around about maybe 4 minutes to get from 26 to 36. We're at 37. It should shut off right at the top of 37. That worked great, everybody. This is something I recommend for anyone that just needs to have a good solid air compressor with them at all times, that, you know what, is nice and affordable. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Flykid, portable air compressor. See you on the next video.